Hi, welcome to Nina in the Kitchen. This is tips and tricks, and I have a good one. You know these scissors that you buy? They're inexpensive. They have these plastic handles, and if you're like me, they are in your kitchen junk drawer, and you use them for everything from cutting string to paper to herbs, plastic bags, things like that, and eventually they get dull. There's a way, it's really cool, that you can sharpen these at home. All that you do is you get a can, just an aluminum can like this. This is from my friend Denise, who donated the can to me, so thank you, Denise. You just take your scissors, you start cutting. You just cut strips of this can, and the more you cut, the sharper your scissors will be. This is really cool, and if you test along the way as you're cutting these ribbons, you can really tell that this is much sharper now. Anyway, that's the tip, and I hope this helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.